Got the daily stop here, Wilson Auto Repair. I think we've done this convertible before. This is going to be a road trip car, and we are putting an LS brand new Chevy engine in it with an overdrive transmission. And we've got a curried axle here with all new springs, and we've got brand new front suspension on it. So come on up here to the front. Let's look at this motor. Starting off right now, one of the tips that I've given before for you guys is put tinfoil on your electrical if you're going to do painting or anything that would harm the wiring instead of tape, because the tinfoil will be easy to remove. Tape is very difficult once you wrap it around the wire to get it off of there. This is probably going to go away because it's an old voltage regulator, but the horn relay right here we're going to keep. So now you can catch this. This is a brand new LS engine that we put in with an automatic overdrive transmission, and we had to do quite a bit of work to get it to fit right. You can buy these perches right here that attach to the cross member. And let me get a light on that so you can see it. But here's the cross member that goes across here, and here's the perch right here that stands up. And you can see right here, we've only tacked it in because we wanted to make sure we have this engine in the right spot. So here's the motor mount, here's the perch, and here's the cross member right here. They're all together. We know we have this engine in the right spot. We had to make a little bit of a hole in the floor to accommodate the height of the transmission. Gil's got the motor in the right spot now, and we're ready to proceed with doing some other work on this now that we have the motor and the transmission. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure that the drive shaft actually has room at the yoke at the transmission housing to spin, because it's pretty tight up underneath. And this has an X-frame in it, and we got to make sure we got enough room for all of that. Once we get that done, we can start putting this thing together. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com, or my YouTube channel and subscribe.